So these 12 parameters are, these are the parameters where we are regularly reviewing all of these. Okay. So the progress and then status and against certain targets. Okay. So you have Patadar passbook distribution. So the cycle-wise data has been analyzed, and you have resurvey. So where the status and which level of attention is required, and we have PGRS revenue and SSLR, and you have mutations and what is the feedback on the mutations and pendency, and we were below SLA and beyond SLA, and you have 22 cases pending at the Tahsildar level and also the RTO level, and the land alienation and the ZSDC. These are all the special projects which are there for certain mandals, which may not be there for certain mandals. Okay. Then we have OR CMS data, and we have digitalization data, and pending legal court cases. Certain mandals have, certain mandals doesn't have, and PGRS post audit. That is the data which we capture from the PGRS portal, and finally the IVRS satisfaction. So all these 12 parameters I have given to the clerk, and the clerk has prepared a mandal-wise status report which requires attention, and which where certain parameters requires a very, very specific attention, certain requires, okay, you are in a good position. So this is the first step I am trying to do, to give a snapshot for each of the mandal and also the division. So instead of dig deep into the data and routine review and then routine answers, routine questions, and after spending so many hours also, we are ending up in as one of the bottom performing the district in the revenue satisfaction, and which we have to improve it. So I don't want any of my officers to just take a pen, note down the things and leave it, and then do the things as usual. So I need the results. Okay, I don't want to, I'm not here to teach you, I'm not here to give a training to you. Okay, I need the results. Making your focus on everything. So which are the areas you have to focus, which are the areas, okay, you are okay. But by next review, I want you to present in the same format each Tahsildar. We don't want to review any of you. Each Tahsildar, led by the RDO, you are going to make a presentation, okay, where your mandal stands, where your division stands, and what are the actions you are taking, or what are the issues you need a support from us.
Next. With 470 units. As of now, in June, July and August, we have covered some equipment which was divided into divisions. So from September, October up to March. Now we are left with